Here we've got the integral of x over e to the x, and one important thing to note here is that this is easily rewritable as the integral of x e to the negative x. And once we've written it that way, it becomes a lot easier to recognize that this is an integration by parts problem. We have a product now. And so now that it's rewritten like that, we can start by letting u equal x, and then of course du equals dx, dv equals e to the negative x, and that negative is important when we go to integrate that to find v, because what it will mean is we're actually going to have e to the negative x over negative 1, and we'll just put the negative 1 out front like so. Now that we've got our legend ready, we can go ahead and go over, and then down and over for our integration by parts, and that will let us have negative x e to the negative x minus the integral of, we're starting with a negative here, so we'll put it out front as a positive, e to the negative x dx. And so now we're integrating e to the negative x, which we've already done once here. We know what that is. And so we can move on. We can say negative x e to the negative x plus, and again, the integral of e to the negative x is actually just negative e to the negative x. So we can get rid of this plus and write it as negative e to the negative x. And because we're dealing with an indefinite integral here, we must add a constant at the end. And this is the solution to our integral. If you have any questions, or if you've got any other calculus or physics problems that you'd like me to work through, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope that you found this helpful.